Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. In today's video, we're going to show you something very interesting. It is called a Mercury coder. So it is a first commercial grade diffusion-based LLM. So most of the LLM they're using are not diffusion-based. So for diffusers, they're mostly used for images and video generations, as you all see in this channel. And now, the LLM is actually on diffusion also. Andrew Karpathy, one of the OpenAI founders, has commented on this new LLM, and he said, most of the LLMs you have seen are clones as far as the core modeling approach goes, and they were all trained auto-regressively. And predicting tokens from left to right, diffusion is different. It does not go left to right, but all at once. So, and it has to be very, very fast. So, and you can see here also text prefers auto-regression, but images, videos prefer diffusion. So all that said, this model has to be the potential to be very different and possibly showcase new, unique psychology or new strengths and weaknesses. So he encourages everybody to try out. And also in the Inception Labs offshore Twitter post, he said, "We are excited to introduce Mercury, the first commercial-grade diffusion large language model. It's called a DLLM. DLLM pushed the frontier of intelligence and speed with parallel course-to-flying text generation." Very cool. So if you go to the official website, as I show you here, you'll be able to test this new coder using the diffusion LLM. So let's try it out. So let's say we are put in something very basic. We're just doing something like write a simple big RAM model. And then we click that, it will generate the prompts. So you can hit enter or just click the submit. Right? So that is pretty good. Very nice, very quick. And it's actually pretty quick. Also, you can try another prompt. Let's try create a JavaScript animation of the Earth orbiting the Sun. So let's click that and hit enter. So it's also generating the artifact. You can see that it is nicely created, right? So everything is built very nicely. So very cool. So let's try another one. Illustrating a forward diffusion process. So for this one, we're going to turn on the diffusion effect to see how this is generated. So let's click that. You can see here, right? Very cool. So it's actually have an animation or dynamic animation that shows how this is generated with diffusion. And let's try that again. Let's hit enter. You can see that super cool. So this is something that's very new. And so let's try a different one. So this one, let's try maybe some writing a guide for effective use of Seaborn. Right, let's try that. And let's hit submit. Right, it is not going from left to right. You can see it's not going from left to right. And since it is sort of like an image generation type of animation, very cool. So you just install Seaborn and then you can just start using it. So very nice. Very cool. So let's try some very customized prompt. Let's say test some of the non-coder questions, even though this is a coder, and you can try maybe some other things like what's the capital city of the country whose name ends with HIA? I'm referring the country name here. So this is a non-coding question to see how it performs. Right? So let's hit enter. It's not exactly right. So you can see that it is a Manila, so that doesn't end with HIA. So it does look like it is good coder, but not good at general questions. This is also similar to Claude. So very good coder, but for general, practical, real-world questions, it might not be that good. So, but let's try another one. So this time we'll just try a simple one. How many A letters in the word Alibaba? So 3 letters, that's right. Okay, and then we're gonna ask this question. Create a landing page for a crypto trading company. So let's try that. Let's hit enter. You can see this is actually diffusion, in fact, and it's super quick, very quick, like very good. So this is actually how diffusion applied to LLM, super fast. It actually went parallel all at once. So it doesn't from left to right, as Andrew mentioned here. Let's try another one. So maybe this time I'll try something like Tetris game. So using a Py game, also this is something that we tested with the Grok 3. So Grok 3 had this very nicely done. And Claude also has this very nicely done. So let's try this with this Mercury coder and see how it performs. So interesting, it did not actually have the effect. So let's see. Right, okay. Let's maybe try that again. It does not exactly experiencing high load. Okay. Okay. So interesting. But I think overall, this seems a very interesting and powerful new LLM, and maybe you should try it out. And it's all free, and just go to the chat inceptionlabs.ai. You should be able to try it out. Very cool product. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you do like it, please subscribe, like, or comment. And thank you for supporting the channel. See you in the next one.